Ayurin na natin ang buko. Yun oh. Ganito din ang pangkayod niya. Yun, made of coconut. Coconut nut. Oh, yummy. Pinakakutsara niya, spoon. Sarap. Pag fresh, don't put, if the buko is fresh, don't put sugar. Because the real sweetness will not, sarap. Sana all. Only in the Philippines. Only in the yummy. Napakalinis niya. Ito yung gusto kong buko, malauhog. Ang sarap. Sarap, yummy. I still have one more. Let's eat and thank you for watching. The buko.